So many things that technology has taken over the advantage of a man having all this physical strength. The technology's really made it possible for women to just kill it in skilled trades now, right?
Yeah, it's so true. I mean, obviously, being a woman, I've had conversations with Chris and just many other people, I think women are ready to just be, it's normalized, right? We're ready to just be like, let's work together, just like any other profession. It's starting to change a lot faster in other professions. I think, having men like you all encouraging that and making that more like, we're just all people working on a job and we all have skills to bring, and I think technology advances, and we were working with a machine called the Mule, where it lifts some large masonry block, and it was such a cool thing. And I actually posted it on Facebook. I had people write in, I would say haters saying, what, like, why don't you lift that yourself, and all these different things. It was cruel. It was crazy. I was like, it was strange. And those are the few that are the loud, right? People like that. But it was just such a strange. I saw like, wow, there is some like really some strong feelings about women doing things like that. And in the book, like what we try to do is really combine men and women and female, male figures all combined together. There's no, one woman's doing this. It's just some are leaders, women are leaders, and some are men. And we hope one day, ideally, that it'll all just be normal and we all work together, right?
Well, yeah. And so our vice president here, she is a woman, and she's totally badass. She runs the ship and keeps us all in line. And she's one of the most technical. She was an architect before, and then came over to the dark side as a contractor.
Dark side.
So she has a really, really technical understanding of what we do, and she's just amazing. So, but I think yes to exactly what you're saying. Like, follow up with Jenny, technology, robotics, all this prefab that's going to come in the next decade. It's going to be really cool and disruptive in an exciting way. And so this is, we're going to see change happen really fast here in the industry, and we haven't seen it before. And that should be really exciting to kids. That should be really exciting to parents and educators, because it's new, it's different. And we're going to start seeing the way we change things. One of the characters, Copper, the plumber, she's a female. She's got copper scales all over her body. She has this huge wrench on her back. Like
she's amphibious.
And, but she's this really, really strong, dominant character, this powerful woman that we wanted to put in the book, and we did that on purpose. I mean, that was.
Yeah, she came across the challenge, and she kind of showed the kids not panicking, having confidence, thinking on your feet, and fixing a problem like right there. And the kids kind of like see that, like, okay, and she says, I love a good challenge.